So I picked Quizlet for my study and quiz tools. Basically, it gives you all of these options. You can use flashcards, which are what these bad boys are. You click it, you flip it. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. And then you can learn them, where it gives you either multiple choice, written questions, or flashcard questions. Then if you go back here, you can write them, or it just gives you the option to write the national park right in here. Then you go back. And then towards the end, it gives you an option. This is just like you say the letters out loud and it will read it to you. I don't like that method as much. But then you can test, which is like it gives you the questions and it gives you have to write it and then you have to match it and then whether or not it's a true or false. And there's matching, and then this is kind of like a game way to do it. Yep.